Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. Today we're going to be doing my natural hair, y'all. I have been obsessed with the single pony, as you guys know, but I follow this amazingly beautiful girl on IG. I will link it down below. I can't remember her name off the top of my head, but she's always doing such cute hairstyles, and I was like, you know what, let me give it a gander myself. So we're going to just do a half up, half down braided pony, and I really slowed down the section where I'm braiding the actual ponytail to show you guys how to get it into your head. It's just one of those things that you just can't overthink when you're trying to braid it in. So yeah, we're gonna just speed along and get this video going. Like I said, it's gonna be slowed down when I'm actually doing the lower braid, so that way you guys can see it. Again, if it's not slow enough, you can also change the speed on YouTube. Just check the settings. Yeah, so you can slow it down a little bit more. I'm just detangling from an old, like 3-day-old puff that I was wearing. Looks like I'm really rough with my hair, but I'm not, y'all. You know, she's 4C, she can handle it. That's my girl, and we're gonna ride. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. so happy. I love this style, and it's so simple, and it's kind of like one of those things you would do when you were younger, but it's just so classy, and you could just really just make it your own. I live for it. The thing about this little feed-in braid, it's very simple to do if you don't overthink it. Like I said earlier on, what you really want to try to do, especially if your hair is as thick as mine, is really try to separate your hair and separate the actual braiding hair. And you want to try to coat it over your hair as much as possible. So you'll see me like looking in the mirror, seeing my hair, and then unbraiding it and trying to go back. I'm just trying to make sure that I actually cover my hair with the braiding hair.